Most people walk into a thrift store, glance at a scratched plastic figurine, a dated ceramic vase, or a discarded geometric brass trinket, and see nothing but outdated junk destined for a dusty shelf. A senior designer recognizes an engineered substrate waiting to be shocked into structural luxury. Today, we are performing material alchemy on second-hand castaways. We are moving past the amateur world of basic crafts and revealing the strict structural logic behind high-end thrift store flips, converting abandoned objects into an interconnected, geometric skeleton of gallery-worthy sculpture. If you're ready to learn how to manipulate unloved forms into high-texture, museum-quality statements that completely anchor your interior planes, your home. I'm Beki, and this is the Sculptural Makeover Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. Today is Thursday, June 18th, 2026, and we are completely disrupting the traditional boundary between second-hand debris and luxury art. In 2026, premium interior styling isn't achieved by purchasing mass-produced decor. It is the atmospheric curation of form, silhouette, and sophisticated textures applied to items that cost next to nothing. We are blending architectural discipline with creative engineering to give forgotten thrift finds an undeniable tactile integrity. Let's step into the alchemy. The Thrift to Fine Art Masterclass. 1. The philosophy of the sculptural flip. In the world of Beki Decor, high design is never dictated by the price tag of your materials. It is defined by the depth of your vision. This is where we introduce material alchemy. Most people look at a glossy, neon-painted ceramic duck, or a weird 1980s plastic abstract shape at the thrift store and immediately walk past. They assume luxury sculptural art must be sourced from high-end design boutiques, leaving their consoles empty while thrift shelves sit overflowing. In 2026, we challenge this perception entirely. Transforming thrift store trash into fine art is the ultimate expression of sophisticated upcycling. When you take an item stripped of its trend relevance and subject it to deliberate, structural discipline, you unlock hidden beauty. By learning to look past ugly paint jobs or cheap finishes to see the raw geometry underneath, you inject a highly customized, premium vibe into your home. Two. Structural logic, form fusion and the geometric skeleton. To make thrift store junk look genuinely expensive, you must completely obscure its original identity. We begin this process by assessing objects solely by their silhouette. Look for basic geometric components, spheres, columns, clean arches, or brutalist sharp angles. We execute this design by combining unrelated items to create an entirely new, complex form. Take an ugly candlestick, stack a hollow wooden bowl on top, and cap it with a geometric plastic ring. Fuse these disparate pieces together into a strict, intentional geometric skeleton using high-strength industrial adhesives. By repeating clean, abstract architectural lines and stacking elements to build unexpected height, you mimic the high-end avant-garde sculptures found in contemporary galleries. 3. The matte alchemy. erasing cheap finishes. The ultimate secret to erasing the humble origin of your second-hand finds is texture normalization. If you leave cheap plastic or shiny, dated ceramic finishes exposed, the final product will look amateur. To elevate your assembly into something that feels heavy, ancient, and expensive, we coat the entire fused skeleton in a uniform tactile medium. Mix acrylic paint with baking soda, or utilize a premium stone textured spray paint, matte joint compound, or artist's gesso. Apply this texturizing medium smoothly across your layered thrift skeleton using a coarse bristle brush. Intentionally leave raw, stippled patterns across the surface to mimic the coarse texture of natural travertine, porous volcanic rock, or weathered cast concrete. Once dry, you have successfully transformed multi-material junk into a cohesive stone artifact. Four. Color sophistication. The monochromatic palette. Once your texturized sculpture is fully cured, you must carefully select your color strategy. To maintain a modern, sophisticated edge, we stay completely away from chaotic, bright hues or trendy pastels. Instead, we utilize a strict, monochromatic color palette. Think deep charcoal blacks, soft warm alabasters, earthy terracotta, or muted taupes that enhance the natural play of light across the new form. A solid, matte finish unifies the newly bonded shapes, tricking the eye into believing the sculpture was carved out of a single, expensive block of mineral or stone. This striking minimalism creates immediate visual tension, giving your upcycled second-hand piece an expensive, gallery-grade finish that commands attention. Five. Architectural mounting and plinth formatting. When it comes to luxury home decor, how you present an object entirely dictates its perceived value. A beautiful sculpture sitting directly on a messy table loses its power. To give your thrifted makeover true gallery authority, you must format it with an intentional base, or plinth. Mount your newly texturized sculpture onto a clean, solid block of raw wood, a dark marble fragment, or a sleek matte black cube. Elevating the piece even an inch off the tabletop forces a boundary of negative space around it. This professional formatting isolates the artwork, framing it in a highly sophisticated manner that elevates the composition and anchors your living space with quiet elegance. Thank you for sharing this design masterclass with me. My deepest prayer for you today is that you stop looking at second-hand items as useless junk. Walk into your local thrift store. See the luxury sculptural potential hiding on those dusty shelves, and start building the masterpieces your home deserves. If you've transformed thrift store trash into a beautiful, gallery-worthy sculpture this week, tell me your story in the comments below. I want to see how you are bringing these forms to life. Hit that subscribe button to join our community of mindful creators. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a revelation. And I will see you in our next design masterclass. Stay grounded in the light.